Welcome back. We've got a couple of special guests returning this morning. We have Betty here from the SEK Humane Society, a resident there, and Kelsey Keeney. Yeah. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Well, while we have Betty seated, why don't you tell us a little bit about her?
Yeah, so she is a 9-year-old black lab mix. She is very active this morning, but she does know how to sit and shake on command. She knows how to turn around. She's just looking for a home that's as active as she is in her old age, and then just a home with no other pets.
Yeah. Does she not get along with other dogs, or is it more of an attention issue?
It's a little bit of both. She does prefer having the attention mainly on her.
Hey, Betty, come back over here.
Come on.
Betty, come here.
Come on.
Come here, Betty. Come here.
Good girl.
Come here. Yeah. Right. Let's show them how you can sit. Good dog. Good dog. Yes. Yeah, she's a sweetie, that's for sure. And you said she's 9?
Yeah, she is 9. She is one of our elders.
Now you have a couple of other longtime residents that were adopted recently. I think Jack and Cooper.
Yeah, so Cooper actually got adopted yesterday, and Jack got adopted last weekend, and Betty is next in line. She is our next longest resident here.
All right, so we need to make sure that Betty can get a forever home as well. Now, you guys have lots of dogs and cats, and do you have other animals besides those?
No, just dogs
and cats.
Dogs and cats
right now? I know occasionally you had some like rabbits and stuff.
We do have a turtle that comes to visit us every morning.
Oh. All right, oh, hey, here's Mr. Chicken. Let's talk about him.
Yeah, so Mr. Chicken, he was actually unfortunately dumped at the pits next to us. Aww. So it took us a couple weeks to actually get him lured over to get him, but he does really fine. He's very energetic. He actually came in with another dog we have by the name of Miss Hen, but he was more friendly towards us, so we got him pretty quick, and then for her it just took a little bit more time, but they're finally back together and just living life.
So Mr. Chicken and Miss Hen. Okay, and here's Hopper.
Yeah, so Hopper, Eden, and Asher are all part of what we call the river pups. They're all red heeler mixes. But a couple years ago, our director, Jasmine, she actually witnessed that someone had dumped their whole litter of 10 or 11 puppies into a river, and she went in herself and got them all out.
Wow. Okay, so there's a picture of Hopper. Let's take a look at Eden, or no, well, maybe not. We'll look at them later, I guess.
Yeah, that is Lula. She is another old lady, kind of like Betty here. She's a little bit younger, but she's another black lab mix. She doesn't have quite as much energy as Betty does, but she is very active, and she just would like a home with no other cats.
Okay. Not well with cats.
Yeah.
My dogs can relate to that. All right, who do we have next? There is Eden, one of the, you call them the river dogs?
River pups.
River pups. Okay. So how many of them were there originally?
I believe there were about 10 or 11 of them.
Okay. And you just have 3 left now?
We just have 3 left. They are very skittish of people still. We've been working with them every day, and it is still kind of a struggle to even get them on a walk, but we've noticed that they're opening up just a little bit more. It just takes a lot of work with them.
So you've had them since they were little, though?
Yes, we've had them, I think, about 2 years now.
Oh, wow. It's time to find them a home. Have you,
oh, yeah.
Do we have Asher as well? Do we have a picture? There we go. There's the final one. Okay, so I see there's no adoption fee on Asher. Is that, how does?
Yeah, so actually all of the river pups and Betty here are all sponsored, so they have no adoption fee.
That's cool. How does, this one is sponsored by Kansas Crossing. That answered my question right there. You have, so if you can't adopt an animal but you want to help out, that's something you could do by sponsoring them. And
yeah, it's just paying their adoption fee. For dogs it's $65, and then for cats it's the $45.
Okay, so that's one way to help if you can't have a pup. Or there's other ways that you can help by donating items as well.
Yeah, so we actually have a wish list on Amazon, and then it is also linked on our Facebook page and our website. And it's really just all the items we're in need of, like cleaning supplies, things for the animals and stuff like that. But you just check it out there and just see what we need, and you can always donate it.
Okay, and real quickly, let's talk about Sunday's event that you guys have going on at Lakeside Park.
Yes, so that is with Little Balkans. We're going to be having 2 to 3 dogs on site, and all of their adoption fees will be waived. They're all just looking for their forever homes. I believe we're gonna have, let's see, who was it? I believe we're gonna have Periwinkle there. She's a warmer higher mix, so she's kind of a rare breed, but definitely a lot of interest in her.
All right, well, if you are interested in Betty or any of the other animals during the week, give them a call, set up an appointment to come out and do an adoption, or you guys are open on the weekends as well.
Oh yeah.
All right, thank you for coming in this morning
Yeah,
and bringing
thank
us
you.
Betty. All right, we will be right back.